Hello everyone, my name is Arshia, and today we're going to be taking a look at your personal Gmail assistant using our Gmail integration in FlowHunt.io. So basically, first things first, we must go to the Integrations tab and choose Gmail and integrate it into our system. So we go there, click on your own account, you must press on Advanced, go to FlowHunt app, and then select all of the permissions you can give FlowHunt and continue. Next up, go to the Flow library, choose the category Gmail. It's red, and then there is a flow called Gmail Manager Flow. So you add that to your flows, as simple as that, and there you have it. It is basically a single AI agent flow with a super simple prompt. You're an email assistant in charge of managing and fulfilling the wishes of the user by using the tools at your disposal. And so basically this AI agent just uses all the tools it has in order to be an assistant for you guys. They have search emails. It's able to find emails within your inbox, find email by ID. So if you give it a certain ID, it'll be able to extract it and give it to you. Add label to email, remove label to email, and send email. So basically, I integrated my personal email, which has a bunch of emails here from support, which is FlowHunt. So if we were to go to run flow and ask, hey, what emails do I have? It should be able to look through our inbox and tell me what we got. So it searches through my emails. As you can see, it is finding all of the emails that I have. Vacation request approval, which are the same things that we did in the previous video, which was a Google Calendar vacation management, which is linked up above. So you can click on it and look through that as well. And you can see step by step what the AI agent is thinking. So I need to get the contents of the next email in the inbox to provide a complete answer. I need to get the contents to a complete list. I need to get the content of the last email in the initial search result to provide a complete answer. And then there we go. It listed every single email that I have in my inbox that I haven't read yet and give it to me. And basically with all the tools it has, I can tell it to add a label to it, or I can even tell it to respond to it. So respond to this certain email and whatever, right? And the AI agent will be able to think and give you a solid answer. This is a super simple flow, but I think it's a super useful flow. So if you have this run flow over here, you receive a new email every single morning. Some of the emails are repetitive, so you can be like, okay, look through all my emails, label the ones that are related to marketing, and then automatic reply to all the marketing emails with your newsletter or whatever it could be. And that is all. The use cases are pretty endless.